Ready to turn your trading profits into real cash? Let's walk through pocket option withdrawals step by step. First up, make sure your account is verified. This usually means uploading your ID and proof of address. Don't skip this or your withdrawal could get delayed. Now log into Pocket Option and head to the Finance section. Look for it on your dashboard or in the sidebar. Click on Withdrawal. Next, pick your withdrawal method. Media, selection screen with bank transfer, e-wallet and cryptocurrency icons. Drop-down menu showing various withdrawal methods, bank transfer, e-wallet, or even cryptocurrency. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and fill in the details for your chosen method. Before you hit confirm, double-check everything. Mistakes here can slow things down. Quick tip: always check the minimum withdrawal amount and be aware of any fees. Processing time depends on your method. E-wallets and crypto are usually faster than banks. And if you've used bonus funds, make sure you've met the trading requirements. Want your money quick? Check the withdrawal rules on Pocket Option before you start.